Hello, how are you? Very good.
So I met this woman at lunchtime on a weekday, and you know something that I really love about meeting people randomly like this is that I kind of see it as an active meditation exercise. By this I mean that you're basically throwing yourself into a situation which can cause you anxiety and hesitation, and the goal is to remain as calm and chill as if you were hanging out with your friends.
No one wanted to eat with you?
Sure.
I tried to make a joke, but she didn't get it. Shit happens, let's relax.
No, I said no one wanted to.
Oh no, I need to go real quick. I have some.
Oh, I see. You were just, is it a stressful day for you today or?
No, I'm okay.
You okay?
When you talk to someone out of the blue like this, most people are going to give you what I call a bridge of awkwardness, meaning that, it probably doesn't happen to them that often, like they might not be sure how to react, and then it's really up to you. Either you're going to stay chill and relax, and eventually people are also going to relax and everything's going to be fine, or you're going to start becoming anxious and then people are going to sense it and, everything is going to go downhill from there. So let's see what happens.
Okay. Is it good? What is it, shrimp?
It's okay.
Whatever. Just quick lunch before the meeting and okay.
No one wanted to sit with you?
She returned my joke. Pretty good.
No, I have no friends. I lost all of them. They were working with me, but then I think at some point I turned my head and they ran away. Is that, look, are you crying?
Yeah,
I'm making, yeah, damn. Yeah, it's pretty sad.
We started talking about work and software engineering until I told her that I was a freelancer.
Saves you a lot of questions in the interview process. Why do you want to work with I just want money.
So, yeah, I've been passionate about accounting since I was about 7.
Sounds legit.
I really love those moments when people are real, like those are my favorite moments.
I just started in 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just attending a bunch of meetings to get familiar with the process and see what they're doing.
Okay. How is it so far? It's okay?
It's been good.
Okay. Have you been able to meet some people in your team and?
Yeah, my team sits around me, which is good.
Okay.
Because I used to work remotely in my last job.
Okay.
I didn't enjoy that a lot.
Okay. Okay.
You need some social interaction once in a while.
That's why I came here for. I'll send you the bill when you're done.
Yeah,
I want
you're
some.
not trying to find me.
She just said that she prefers to work in an office because when she worked remotely, she didn't have enough social interactions. And I find this very interesting because it shows how much people need strong context to meet others. And I find that to be kind of sad for 2 reasons. The first one is that if you live in a big city, there are people literally everywhere. And the second is that what are the odds that the people you're going to meet at work are the people with whom you share the greatest chemistry? And so, when I look at all of my best friends, I've met them in a very wide spectrum of settings. And so I don't think you should rely on a main context to meet people.
I can get the work done, but I prefer to have some human interaction.
Yeah, it's the human interaction that. Yeah, I understand.
So, yeah. It was fun to meet you. Have a good rest of the Friday.
You too. What's your name? I won't look for you. Don't worry. What's your name?
Yeah, please don't tell me the bill.
Ruben.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Nice to meet you. Good luck with your meeting.
This was a great moment, and as she said, we all need human interaction. I think that you should make it a point to try to meet people without any context, because when you start with a blank canvas like this and you have to build a connection, I think it's a real test to your ability to relate with people and your ability to just remain calm and chill and just see what happens. So next time you have lunch on your own, next time you get coffee, next time you just walk around and you see someone that inspires you, just go say hello, how's your day, and let me know what happens. See you next time.